Anyone and everyone can have a YouTube channel and get tons of dollars from that channel. All right. Hi guys, you're welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to create your own YouTube channel using a smartphone, using a mobile device. All right. In my last video, I explained to you guys, to everyone, everything that you need for you to start a YouTube channel. So if you haven't watched that video, do well to go check that video out before you watch this video, because I'm so certain that that video will be so helpful for you. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own YouTube channel using a smartphone. Anyone and everyone can have a YouTube channel and get tons of dollars from that channel. All right. So I'm going to show you guys everything that you need for you to start this YouTube channel and a step-by-step approach for you to start this YouTube channel. I'm going to make it a very simple one. So let's just get into the video. I'm going to show you the screen. Let's go to the video. So the first thing to do is to open your YouTube app. Once you open that YouTube app, you will see an icon at your top right. Click on that icon. Once you click on the icon, you will see your channel, turn on incognito, add account, get your YouTube premium and others. Click on your channel. And once you click on your channel, you will see another page where you will see how you will appear. You will see picture, you will see name, and you will see handle. Click for this channel. We are going to go for name first. I'm taking time so that we'll be able to understand everything. So once you click on the name, you will see Beauty Damsel. So I'm going to use Beauty Damsel TV as the name. This is the name that I use for my Gmail account, which means if you don't have a Gmail account, you cannot open a YouTube account or YouTube channel. So first thing is to have a Gmail account. So this is the name that I use for it. So I've saved the name as Beauty Damsel TV. You can as well change the handle if you want to change the handle, but I'm going to use the same handle. So the handle is showing at Beauty Damsel TV. That is my handle. Remember, the name is Beauty Damsel TV and my handle is okay. So we have saved it already. The next thing is to upload your picture. You see, take a photo and you see choose from your photos. So we are going to choose from our photos. So for the sake of this teaching or this tutorial, I'm going to be choosing this YouTube um photo for our profile picture. So once you choose your photo, you can see the thing is already loading and it has loaded already. Once you are done doing that, you click on create channel. So once you click on the create channel, it's going to load, and let's see the next thing that is going to happen. So your channel is already created. So we'll still go back to the top right icon that I told you about. The top right icon I'm talking about is the one with B circled. So I'm going to click on your channel. You click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, it will take you back to this page again. Since we're already on this channel, we need to set up this channel. So we are going to click on that icon that looks like pencil. Click on it. You will see channel setting. The name already appear, Beauty Damsel TV, and our profile picture is already there. You can see our profile picture is already there. So there's no need of choosing photo. But if you want to change it, you can also change it. You can still change it. So the next thing is to click on the description. Once you click on the description, you explain what your channel is all about. If your channel is about skincare, if it's about education, it's about cooking, if it's about music, it's about anything that you think your channel is all about, that description box is just an avenue or an opportunity for you to explain what your channel is all about and what you're going to be providing for your viewers or for your subscribers. All right. So you just fixing something that you know that is what you want for your channel to be known for. So write everything that you want your channel to be known for. If it's cooking, if it's about music, if it's about lifestyle, motherhood, whatever you think, education, whatever you think that you want your channel to be known for, this is an opportunity to do it. Then once you're done, you save it. Go to the privacy aspect. You see, keep all my subscription private. I know you would want people to see how many people that subscribe to your channel, so you have to off that part. Keep all my saved playlists private. You also have to off it so that people can be able to see your playlist when you are done creating your channel. So once you are done, your changes have been saved. Since the changes has been saved, you have to go back. That arrow that shows you should go back. Once you go back, you see that your channel is already set up. You can now create a video. To create a video, you have to click on that cross. Once you click on it, we are going to use short. So we create a short, and then we are going to choose. So we are going to choose one of these videos. I've chosen this one for my video. And once you choose, you have to click on done. Once you click on done, once you click on done, you allow it to load. Once it's done loading, you will see add details. This is where you add your caption, what you want your video, the title of the video. So I'm writing beauty shows her face as a title. So you have to write whatever you want to write on your title. Then you click on the public. Clicking on the public will enable people to see your video. If it's on private, nobody will see your video. So make sure your video is always on public. Once you do that, you check select audience. Click on the select audience and click no, it's not made for kids. If you have a channel that is for kids, then you can click yes, it's made for kids. But if it's not a channel that is for kids, then click no, it's not made for kids. Then you upload your short. And that is just it. Your channel is ready. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, do well to turn on your notification bell, or if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button. Share this video because I am so certain that a lot of people need this video. So share the video so that people that want to know how to create their own YouTube channel can start. The best time to start is now. It is not tomorrow, it is not next tomorrow. The best time to start is now. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, turn on your notification bell, share to your friends, and make sure that at least 5 people get this video from you. All right, are you promising me that? Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.